Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to replace on sale product price with saving amount and percentage in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to apply code on simple product and variable product both. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation, on left side you see code snippet, and then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down, select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. And then in code you see variable product type, and then you see calculation, and then you see text save up to. So this text for variable product, and then you see save. So this custom text is for single product, and then you see regular price, sale price. Scroll down, this is our format, and then you see class. So we are using price HTML, save text, save price, save percentage. So it's up to you. By using price underscore HTML, we are going to show original format also. So if you want, you can remove price underscore HTML and also remove percentage s. So scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to shop page, refresh the page. Then you see price format. So this is our original price format, and then you see save text. So this is our total amount saved, and this is our percentage. Also you see variation product. So this is our variable product. So this is original price format, and then you see save up to, total saving $50, and then minimum percentage 22, maximum percentage 33.3. Back to code, and then scroll down. In code you see price HTML, remove this, and then also remove percentage s. So click on update. Now snippet updated, done. Go to shop page again, refresh the page. Now you see this is another format, save $20, 20%, save up to $50, and this is our percentage. So it's up to you. If you want previous format or this format. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.